Hey everybody, welcome to day 11. Can you believe it? We've only got one more day left. Today's class will be prone the whole time, working on the shoulders again. Come down to your belly and stack the right palm on top of the left. Bring the forehead down. Just pause here for a moment. Notice where you are in contact with the earth, lying on the belly, tops of the feet, the knees and thighs, maybe the pubic bone, the belly, the lower ribs, the chest, the inner arms by the elbows, and the left palm in this case. Taking a moment to settle, you can even maybe rock the hips side to side, and then we'll begin. Keeping the neck straight, on an inhale, lift the head up off the hands, but you're still looking down towards the palms, then release down. Then this time, lift the head and look just in front of your yoga mat, or just in front of your space. So a different angle of the neck, and come down. And then this time, lift all the way up, looking towards the horizon. Notice what's going on in the shoulders, maybe the lower back when you do this, and then come down. Wonderful. Bringing your awareness to your right elbow. Just lift the elbow up off the floor and release it down. Now lift the head and the elbow at the same time, and then release down. So I should have said your hand is glued to your forehead. And we'll lift up again, the elbow, the head, and this time rotate open towards the right. It's quite good because I'm using this as a sun guard. And come down. Excellent. Now glue both hands together, and we'll lift the whole of the upper body up. So both hands glued to the forehead, and then come down. And we'll do the same, but rotate towards the right. Inhale, lift. And then rotating the upper body towards the right, and then come down. How did that feel? It's pretty intense on the back and the shoulder. Feels nice. Something we don't often do, that kind of movement. Okay, we need to move on to the other side. So you can stay where you are, but I will turn around this way. So this time, the left hand is on top of the right, and the forehead is on these. Take a moment to settle. If you shuffled around like I did, maybe you didn't. And then, firstly, we just lift the head off the hands, neck in a straight line, and then come down. And lift up and look just ahead of your yoga mat. And then come down. Then lift up, and this time look towards the horizon, whatever that may be. I'm looking at some heliconias. And then release down. Wonderful. Bringing the awareness to the left elbow. Just lift the left elbow up. So it's almost like a wing that you're lifting. And then we come down. Keeping the left hand glued to the forehead, we lift the head up and the arm, and then come down. And then keeping the hand glued to the forehead, we lift the head up again, but rotating open to the left. And then come back down. How did that feel? This time gluing both hands together, lifting the head up and both elbows, and then release down. And this time again, both hands, both elbows, head, and this time rotating open to the left. Back to the center and come down. And relax. Check in. How did it feel between the two sides? Did you find it challenging? Did you get any twinges? Was there any area of the body that you noticed some extra sensation? If you did, just mentally breathe into that space. When we do these movements that are different, it really can reveal places in the body where we hold stuff. We do alternative movements. We can help maybe shift whatever's stuck there and bring a little more freedom into our lives. From here, gently press up, coming to a comfortable seat. And I hope you enjoyed that class. I'm going to shade the sun from my eyes, although there's a big leaf there that's kind of doing it for me. Thank you for joining me, and I'm going to see you tomorrow for the final day, day 12. Have a good day.